Do you want to become PMP? If yes, it's a very important thing that my batch is going to start on 17, which means on Friday. It will be Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 17, 18, 19, 24, 25, 26. 2 weeks of classes on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 7 p.m. to 1 a.m. UAE time. Now, this program is going to make sure that every single person who join this program, they become certified PMP before 30th of April. This program has special significance in the region of Gulf, the entire Saudi Arabia, KSA, UAE, Qatar, Oman, all these areas, and Bahrain, of course. The reason is that since Ramadan is coming, in all these areas you have flexible timing. The flexible timing mean that you can get more time for your PMP. And last year we had more than 30 to 40 certified PMP just in the month of Ramadan. And today I am targeting more than 100 PMPs in the month of Ramadan. So if you want to become certified PMP and you are in these regions, especially Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, Qatar, Bahrain, you must join this program. 7 p.m. UAE time to 1 a.m. This will be 6 days of class followed by coaching calls. We will have 3 coaching calls in which we will solve question answers of PMP. We will do your regular follow up, and most importantly, I will customize a roadmap for you according to your requirement. This I called as triangle of success coaching system. 3 coaching calls, follow up, customize roadmap. My success coaching system for you guys. Now, when you enroll it, you of course get your 35 PDUs, your pre-approved PDUs. You will get that. There is no doubt into that. That is for sure. In addition to that, I will help you in PMP application. Now PMI is doing more audit, more and more audit. So if you get selected for the audit, I will facilitate you in audit also. I will give you the best PMP simulator. We have upgraded our simulator last week. So you will get new and better simulator that I upgraded on 10th of March. You will get that best and upgraded simulator for that. You will get people mocks, process, business environment, and of course PMI cloned exam question. So each and everything that is needed for the PMP, you will get it. This is one stop for PMP. Every single thing that you need to pass, you will get that. You already know the PMP exam fees for members is this. My training fee for the batch program is this. And if you want to join 1-to-1, this is the fees. Contact me on this number. This same number is also on WhatsApp. I'll make sure you become certified PMP. Just to summarize how the entire process will be, you will register for the program. We will have a customized call to understand your individual requirement. You will join 6 days class, 17, 18, 19, 24, 25, 26, 6 days class on 2 weekends. I will give you a customized roadmap. You will join the 3 coaching calls. We will solve question answers. We will do the root cause analysis. You will submit the application. If you are not selected for the audit or selected for the audit, I'll do your final evaluation and you will give your exam. This will be your step-by-step journey. This is the most important thing. 6 days training, daily follow-up, 3 coaching call in a week, the customized roadmap. Register now to become PM.